Malaga tiang chai nyor ka dung dit media ka chang jandang ra wude doko pai bangwan karon kin dang ra wude jandang ra wude diech an mak bangut gok pai nong la ti la no yeni chang ka dung dit media ka tin to ka junub Sudan kan win mon ndo dien dung dit media gwa la ra ko kon ko tung nor la nong ni yak bare la tuk la ra ti to wala ka junub kan win mon ndo dien la nong ni yap den ni ka ti yara lar kinin ka junub la nong ne analysis ne gati chara lat krentin baro de lare we dan ke jinup la nong ne ye par pan store ne kana ke kumni ke wi kana kor ti chara lat wi dan kana win mon do dien ne alar ni changa no ye le ngoto go to ngor ne ke dung dit media ma mi chara jo ma la jak ko share ko like mi share ko share like ko to wan chup ne le ngoto no ba ja ja bar kon nong ne ke tin an wala ga changa nyandang ra wudo ko pai bangwan bana right ka ta lo ga nan lo ga jube ala luk doctor ek ma char kan nei dang baro te cha ga kel te ta ga ti jin kel luk cha tok pan cha kan nung ya ga bar te pan ku lo ga pan an wala china lu tin ga changa ra wude changa pan me chi wo ja ba kap jo ko je cha kon nung ya pan ga bar ko te pan nen wo te ga ngwan ti chuwa gak ti kan wo chup Manyam chakola the jurisdiction of the court. Court which are established ko bi kidreng machar mo bielat. Jurisdiction de kana competency. Competency de alat kone wona ne woronge wojen court de right machalat. La first by president. Jurisdiction de e wo mdong da rajen court nan ta gin Sudan she kan ta established ke a supreme court. So to the Toropan Chikala question ko mi kani take jurisdiction about the case. We get shade can look. Taga yok pan the defense team dung Dr. Yang Machar ko we are nyora. We are garnic to content what can in case mo. We are our gor, we are a fair kaganun, laganun ginu Sudan me kui le jako would a case mo. It look. So Mera pan. Shuala to take a lawyers, to advocate lawyers. Advocate talk a mom rich our Jurukan to one to can find kill persecutors. I court. So Nayato Michaganung Kaganun cha legitimacy and chatich ku constitution of South Sudan make case of the state, a country, can individuals. Tell the government. The hak ku be muamni to the private lawyers be kanu ga constitution go ne tell government ki government court ala established court the hak ku be no ni advocate additional lawyers from outside joro yo tell ga noon of South Sudan cha ga yo ne ya no rodun kel pan sigalat kamulat ke be justify based on ga noon they are known in written. Chwala mara udapan. Mandi odi ne pan ne pagdor. Chwala one ne alla immunity of first by president ne Dr. Yang Machar. Ba which ba suspend kanona gwalok. Take a process to chak a lot pan to go constitutionally. Today con debate ka parliament. The members of the parliament they go vote. The two-thirds majority that they could decide and go by first by president by suspend with request from Ministry of Justice, for example. So number Carolat, constitutionally is illegal, unconstitutional step go by suspend. Number Panchalat, a part of Mepen Rajo Bonyam, who make an is illegal, let them come up with a written document. Menu they illegal with the parent article constitution of the country. So Shuala Majority and Pananom me Chakara Jorde, me Pendor ballot. Men jog den and de long one din upon Shuala case ku can depend lawyers. Tin contin chunkel ke Dr. Egmashur, Larkan and Minunke, a court and a precedent, Milarode. Ballad in written. Then a verbal agreement kala verbal argument ni tibina hash verbally kata agreement me ba agree bidun werek kete kon latke so chuko la ngwana kan te dia le pante cha persecutors in government cha ga moy ke homework ko be wonyu ba kan those answers ba ka wa put in written ba ko lo jok na ko ben debate kan de ko lo tong ni opening of today ke changara ura wala the 23 ma chigo lu jok na nyur ga gwarun wa wala ke the 23 min mo changara ura ka look chiga ben kara per nyok kan persecutors in government chigo ben kan ngumura krok ma cha goro kan ne case nater cha ku jo case nater gwada chieneme case nater she part of this look even changlu me dan ne cha mat ka accused te kon de kwa first by president accused ke case nater gornai bread court case nater is the issue of ceasefire violation tulgani ni mal ka mai chong e dana apat chong no investigation de RJ mak a citizen ala mechanism na mal kare de ko nga je wona ne ngam to ko nater ka ngam ku ceasefire mi che violate waname ala dien so tele guadre logana loke based on ta na yala defend lawyers in Dr. Yang Machar ko case nater she the priority come up with other accusation so chare nyom ga ga walle ken ta na na chalem ne je chem persecutors in government chala nyong decide no ne bi ga yen du ko lo jok ba na do homework ba walat la na sar ka kan tin dia lo kono ya kwen ba ko nyok lat ke awar so run bari nyom rum ka changa di odien point lock ala look ku ngak ba ji ke ne me shel dur ke ne dur ke ne to tena ka argument ke judicial proceeding ala procedures to kon by used so taro kan kon cha kum ja ko ne kan persecutors ne kien sikala weak sikala vulnerable sika organize angoda kana na wo ko look point so you the kon go en step mi je no tu ku inge kanen tam ngot ko do mo nyam u point lo sikana bo lo ngulu because the reason it ko justify ku ana mo lawyer mo lawyer mi change ka nu no go bi wo chu kel ga dwer la balaje ta ande dung ni je ko chuong la joje le road so they will try ba on kan ko ba ti wan ke kan non with political pressure kabul mel kan self pakir ga ta ba go ni je lakin because and an agent the first of it kind ka so Sudan ko be take a trial like this ba lat mi te win mon ke lewte guide ba joy ko ba da bu tok ba wa joy so bu tok ba wa joy ba rek ma char kan ne ko na ja accuse kel ba ko lun at the end of everything no jen ke lande kono lat ko defense team Dr. Yang Machar is still strong. Dr. Gary can justice kulu al kur ke team ni endo dien na te kele ke are very strong ke veteran lawyers ka so Sudan ngai ke malet kenne they have consultation like we can talk of Dr. Gary Dr. Gary a doctorate of law of evidence so te PhD ko law of evidence go a member of East Africa court ko te membership ko ni ngwan ko lecturer ko ni university ngai ga nun a former a former judge ko Supreme Court me if you remember na da man de ko de wo ke President Salva Kiir ke wo che petition cha goro kan about 32 state ni chuo ke East African court was a leader ko no a veteran ngaja malade ngaja ga nun take regional acceptance which a lot by accept region so we are together with him we support him taro ko kan di alda tin kulu al kur rame strong person rame me educated me chi case ni wan ba mi chi ko win ka South Sudan take example the one ka I'm honest me kwa respect ka country chere mala ne we case ni wan ya ko win we can follow him ka nyin sia ba ka te la ro junub Sudan la chungo kel ke ne in content accused for nothing. So right media no majendo ko rajo de long wala ke second day of hearing ka court case dung Dr. Yang Machar ke jube ka freedom hall tin ko kien cheken tin jar la wale all of us chikon ne kon chana ganen peace and them nen and ke gwe physically and yes gentijin there is nothing telemedicine milel ngulong a struggle again. So we can see the change physically because of 7 months in one place. So no chala meshkil. Didn't know they are alive, they are healthy, cook sound well. Banagoro and up to the end, victory will be ours. So yenda nande kamya as update of today keta nan chinyur kana ke changraude. Tin ko kien tin lot keni akbare but we dan wale ban right tin ke episode ban right jod mon wale ko wa the we ka tiang ban ne cholo a chang and in summary e wona ne court cha nyom kwa John ke second day because kante pan te cha request depend team dung Dr. Yang Machar kan ka na sir so chen me agla do they come up with a case of Nather, which is not part of this judicial proceeding, according to the pen team, doing Dr. Yang Machar. A violation of ceasefire, which is a rule of citizen, can a JMEC to control mechanism in Mala. So, no banner which case Nather, would go on the bad drop after some time. Call it a day, and thanks.